Hello, my name is Mary. My husband Rick and I live in this log home in southern Colorado off the historic Santa Fe Trail. We've lived here just over 2 years, and when we moved in, it's not exaggeration to say the house needed quite a lot of work. This one is unique in many ways. Rick and I moved here after retiring from federal service and military service. Our last project that we're wrapping up is the one with HomePride to install a walk-in shower. To call it a shower is probably an understatement. Most people refer to it, our family and friends and us, as the space shuttle. It was about 2 feet off the floor to be able to climb into it, and we had to actually use a step stool every day to get in and out of the shower. And at our age, we felt that was dangerous. Also, it had lots of additional features. For instance, it had disco lights, it had steam, it had a built-in radio. You could actually hook up your phone to it. Mainly, we wanted to replace it because we felt it was a safety issue, and to be able to continue to age in this home, which we've worked so hard to make our own, we thought it was important to replace that shower. We went to a couple of specialty bath showrooms, and honestly, we found all of that a bit overwhelming. By the end of our research that way, we were more confused than we were made up in our minds about what we wanted to do. On my phone one day, as we were getting ready to do this last project in the house, popped up an ad from HomePride. I called the number, or in fact, I think I even emailed the number, and was surprised when somebody actually got back to me immediately. One of the blessings for us is that HomePride sends a designer to you. So I think it was within a week or 2 weeks that HomePride had a designer here up our 5.5 miles of dirt roads on a Saturday to meet with us. So when Stacy came to meet with us, I had looked online at some of the choices for the Luxe Stone and had in my brain that I wanted a certain pattern. He took time to walk around our house a little bit, get a sense of what our style is, and spent time with us trying to figure out really what our needs were. This is an investment. It's something that will long outlast us in the house, we believe, and so certainly worth taking the time to hear from an expert. I would certainly recommend to people to make time to sit down with the designer. You know, when you're in a store and you're working with a rep or a clerk or whatever, and other customers are coming up who want to be in line or ask things, you feel rushed, and we did not feel rushed. And again, this is an investment. So that's one word that I would say about HomePride is consultative, both from the initial phone call to the designer coming to spend a couple of hours with us, and then even with the installers as they would get to different phases of either removing the space shuttle, which was a project, or installing the new shower. They would come and say, well, what about this? Do you want this? Do you want that? Should we carry the wall out to here? And they were so thoughtful about putting down drop cloths to make sure that nothing got damaged. When they left, the bathroom was probably cleaner than it started. We waited about, I think, 10 weeks for the shower to be installed once we settled on the design of it. But during that time frame, one of the best things, having worked with so many contractors over the past 2 years, was HomePride's commitment to communication throughout the whole process. With the number of contractors we've worked with, I hesitate to think how many times I made a phone call that never got returned, how many times I sat here waiting for someone to show up, having put our dogs, boarded our dogs to make sure that they weren't in the way of the contractors, and the people never showed up, never got back to us. That has not been our experience with HomePride. They do what they said they would do. It's not cheap, but I have learned in this rehab business over the past 2 years, you get what you pay for. A shower like this is an investment. It's an investment in our home. It was an investment in our safety. And when you're making an investment like that, you don't want the company to assume that they know what's best for you. You want to decide what's best for you, leveraging their expertise. We would certainly encourage people to work with HomePride, first and foremost, because they're willing to come visit you wherever you live, whether you're up 5.5 miles of dirt roads or on the side of a mountain or wherever. So HomePride will come find you. They'll come bring you the information you need to make good decisions. And then the installers, Austin and Cameron, will make their way, or some similar installers will make their way to you to put in HomePride's excellent Kohler products that we're very pleased with.